Hi friends, welcome back. After seeing the problems associated with the AM, now it is time to see how FM can solve this problem. FM, commonly known for frequency modulation. Here, the frequency of the carrier signal is changed in accordance with the modulating signal. So, this is a modulating input, and the carrier, which was of constant frequency, now the frequency of it keeps changing with the amplitude of the modulating input. So when the amplitude is high, the frequency is high. When the modulating input is low, the frequency is low. So this way, the frequency of the modulating, I mean, carrier keeps changing with respect to the amplitude of the modulating input, and hence the frequency of the carrier signal will carry the information instead of the amplitude. Here you can see that the amplitude is constant, and even if there is any problem due to noise, if uh, noise adds up a spike here, doesn't make any difference because the frequency in this zone is going to decide what the amplitude of the signal should be. So when you are trying to recover this FM back to the message signal, then it only verifies what is the frequency of the carrier. It doesn't bother what the amplitude is and so on. So even if there is variation in the amplitude, doesn't make any sense. So that's another advantage of working with FM is the noise doesn't affect our signal quality, and even the attenuation in the medium also does not affect the signal, and the attenuation of the medium varies with frequency, and hence for different signals in the input, the attenuation will be different, and hence at the final output the magnitude keep changing with respect to its frequency. And if you are working with amplitude modulation, that is misunderstood as the change in the modulating input, and hence the error gets transferred to the recovered signal. Whereas here, whatever be the reason of the noise, maybe additive noise, that is because of the various reasons, or attenuation of the signal which keeps changing from frequency to frequency. In spite of that, there will be change in the amplitude, but our recovering system never bothers about the magnitude. It only bothers about the frequency, and hence the recovered signal will be noise free. So most of the today's transmission, audio transmission, prefer to work with frequency modulation in case you want analog modulation to be used. Else we go to digital modulation. There are many other techniques which are more better than this, but as long as analog modulation is required, it's definitely everyone's favorite is the frequency modulation over the analog modulation. More details about how frequency modulation can be uh, created, and how the frequency modulated signal can be recovered, are the subject matter of the coming sessions. So, till then, take care. See you. Bye.